CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 8 How do organisms reproduce? Part 1a. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook. Questions are given in yellow color while answers are in white color. Why do organisms reproduce? Reproduction is not necessary to maintain the life of an individual organism. It is obvious that we notice organisms because they reproduce. It is the large numbers of organisms belonging to a single species that bring them to our notice. What do you think about the most basic level of reproduction? Reproduction at its most basic level involves making copies of the blueprints of body design. DNA is called the blueprint of body design. Therefore, basic event in reproduction is the creation of a DNA copy. Cells use chemical reactions to build copies of their DNA, which is called replication process. Is reproduction necessary to maintain the life of an individual? No, reproduction is not necessary to maintain the life of an individual organism. Reproduction ensures the continuity of the survival of a species. Individual organisms die without fail. Species continue to live through millions of years unless threatened by natural or anthropogenic extinction. What is called blueprint of body design? How it eventually leads to different body designs? The chromosomes in the nucleus of a cell contain information for inheritance of features from parents to next generation in the form of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, which is the information source for making proteins. Definite proteins make definite body designs. If the information is changed, different proteins will be made. Different proteins will eventually lead to altered body designs. Why DNA is called the blueprint of body designs? DNA is called blueprint of body designs because DNA molecules present in the chromosomes of cell nucleus is the information source of making the proteins. Definite proteins make definite body designs. Members of each and every species of organism have their unique types of proteins. How a living cell divides and gives rise to two cells. DNA copying is accompanied by the creation of an additional cellular apparatus, and then the DNA copies separate, each with its own cellular apparatus or cytoplasmic organelles. This is how effectively a mother cell divides to give rise to two daughter cells. Watch the interesting animation above. What exactly is the result of variations in DNA copying? The process of copying of DNA has some variations each time. As a result, the DNA copies generated are similar but not exactly identical to the original DNA. How a newborn cell may simply die. Some of variations of DNA copying may be so drastic that the new DNA copy cannot work with the cellular apparatus it inherits. Such a newborn cell would simply die. What are the resultant errors in DNA copying mechanisms? The DNA copying mechanism, as it happens during reproduction, cannot be absolutely accurate, and the resultant errors are a source of variations in populations of organisms. The more there are variations among individuals in populations, the more there are chances of survival. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email.